Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Go inside the rear hatch. You can open up this little door here. It's the same for both sides. There's two little latches. Push them at the same time. And access the back of the tail lamp. You can get to the bulb sockets. You can also remove the tail lamp if that makes it easier. The bulbs that you can access from the back through this door is the upper brake light bulb, the turn signal bulb, the lower brake light bulb, and the reverse light bulb. There's a marker light bulb that's in the tail lamp housing. You have to remove the tail lamp to get to it. But for these, you can simply turn them counterclockwise to unlock it and take it out. That's the reverse light bulb. It's a 7440 bulb. Now the wiring harness goes into this single socket, and it's hard to see with all this metal in the way, but there's a series of wires that go around the taillight housing that transfer power to the other light sockets. That's why there's only one connector. To change this bulb, you pull it straight out. And you can put it right back into place. Put it right in the opening. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Change the turn signal bulb, you reach in here. Turn it counterclockwise. Pull it straight out. This is an amber W21W, which would be the same as a 7440 amber. To change it, you just pull it straight out. You can put it right back in. Find the opening for it. Line up the little slots. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Get to the lower brake light bulb. Counterclockwise to unlock it. Pull it out. It's a 7443. It's a dual filament bulb. Same thing. Pull it straight out. Push it back in to replace it. Put it right in the opening. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Top one, same as the other ones. Counterclockwise to unlock it. (7443) dual filament. Pull it out of the socket, and then you can replace it. Put a new one in. Reinstall it. And turn it clockwise to lock it. There you go. Remove the tail lamp assembly. Unplug the electrical connector. Pull the harness out of the socket. And take a 10mm deep socket and ratchet. There's a single 10mm nut on the stud here. Loosen this up. Once it gets loose, I'm going to use just the socket and thread it off. Being careful not to drop the nut. There it is there. There's two metal tabs right here above this socket. You're going to pull them down and then push out. The taillight will come right out of the body. Don't pull it though, because there's still wiring attached to the bottom. There's a marker light here to change this. Turn it counterclockwise. Pull it straight out. It's a 194 peanut bulb. You can pull it right out, put a new one right back in, and then reinstall it here. Push the lamp into the body. So there's a tab here. It's going to match up with this grommet here. The clips that are in there kind of hold it. Take the nut. I'll put it inside the socket. I'll carefully put it over the stud. Get it started. And tighten it in. If I feel it get tight, I'll stop. Pull the connector back in. It'll lock in place. Put the door back on. Job is complete.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.